General knowledge, questions and answers. Who is the real owner of Kohinoor diamond? But Nadir Shah did not live for long because in 1747 he was assassinated and the diamond got to one of his generals, Ahmad Shah Durrani, a descendant of Ahmad Shah. Shah Shuja Durrani brought the Kohinoor back to India in 1813 and gave it to Ranjit Singh, the founder of the Sikh Empire. What is the longest surviving country? Republic of San Marino. By many accounts, the Republic of San Marino, one of the world's smallest countries, is also the world's oldest country. The teeny country that is completely landlocked by Italy was founded on September 3rd in the year 301 BC. What is the oldest democracy on earth? Athens is often regarded as the birthplace of democracy and remains an important reference point for democracy. Literature about the Athenian democracy spans over centuries, with the earliest works being the Republic of Plato and Politics of Aristotle, continuing with discourses of Niccolo Machiavelli. Which temple is oldest in India? Mundeshwari Devi Temple. The Mundeshwari Devi Temple, also spelled as Mandeshwari, is located at Kaura in Kaimur district in the state of Bihar, India, on the Mundeshwari Hills. It is an ancient temple dedicated to the worship of Lord Shiva and Shakti and is considered one of the oldest Hindu temples in India. Who is the eighth Mughal Empire? Bahadur Shah I. Ajam prepared to march to Agra and declare himself successor, but was defeated by Mujam at the Battle of Jaju in June 1707. Ajam and his son Ali Tabar were killed in the battle. Mujam ascended the Mughal throne at the age of 63 on 19th June 1707 with the title of Bahadur Shah I. Who was the best Mughal ruler? Akbar. Akbar, Humayun's son, Akbar reigned 1556 to 1605, is often remembered as the greatest of all Mughal emperors. When Akbar came to the throne, he inherited a shrunken empire, not extending much beyond the Punjab and the area around Delhi. Who ruled India after Mughals? Mughal rule was reduced to only a small area around Delhi, which passed under Maratha 1785 AD and then British 1803 control. The last Mughal, Bahadur Shah II, reigned 1837 to 57, was exiled to Yangon, Myanmar, that is Rangoon, Burma, by the British after his involvement with the Indian Mutiny of 1857 to 58. Are Mughals descendants of Genghis Khan? The Mughals originated in Central Asia and were descended from the Mongol ruler Genghis Khan and Timur, the great conqueror of Asia. They were immensely proud of their pedigree, and it was the memory of Timur's raids on India in the 14th century that spurred Babur on to invade. Who is the biggest family in the world? The world's largest family is said to be from Bhaktwang, India, where Father Giona Chana has 94 children by 39 different wives. Mr. Chana, who has said he is a lucky man, lives in a 100-room, 4-story home with another 14 daughters in law and 33 grandchildren. How many wives can you have in Saudi Arabia? 4 wives. Polygamous marriages are legally recognized in Saudi Arabia in accordance with Islamic Sharia law, which allows for Muslim men to take up to 4 wives, considering that he treats them equally and shares all his wealth equally. Did Russia colonize any country? While Britain, Spain, Portugal, France, and others quickly colonized North America, Russia created colonies that are less well known. Russia's form of colonization primarily involved expanding eastward from its capital territory in Eastern Europe into Asia and Siberia. What is the old name of Thailand? Siam. People speaking one of the Thai group of language settled in what is now Thailand around 1000 years ago. The name Siam came from a Sanskrit word Siam. It was adopted by the Portuguese from the 16th century and became the accepted geographical term. What is Kathak dance style? Kathak is one of the 8 forms of Indian classical dances originated from India. This dance form traces its origins to the nomadic bards of ancient northern India known as Kathakars or storytellers. Its form today contains traces of temple and ritual dances and the influence of the Bhakti movement. Who is the god of Bharatanatyam? Bharatanatyam is known for its grace, purity, tenderness, and sculpturesque poses. Lord Shiva is considered the god of this dance form. Today, it is one of the most popular and widely performed dance styles and is practiced by male and female dancers all over the world. What is the Buddhist holy book called? Tripitaka. The sacred book of Buddhism is called the Tripitaka in Pali. It is also called the Pali Canon after the language in which it was first written. It is written in an ancient Indian language called Pali, which is very close to the language that the Buddha himself spoke. Which is older, Sanskrit or Prakrit? Sanskrit is older than Prakrit languages. However, both are Indo-Aryan languages that coexisted for several centuries. Sanskrit is not the refinement of Prakrit languages, as mistakenly believed by some. It is the refined and codified version of archaic Vedic language. Why is gold so valuable to humans? The metal is abundant enough to create coins, but rare enough so that not everyone can produce them. Gold doesn't corrode, providing a sustainable store of value, and humans are physically and emotionally drawn to it. Societies and economies have placed value on gold, thus perpetuating its worth. What is Tokipona? It is constructed language. Tokipona is a philosophical, artistic, and constructed language known for its small vocabulary. It was created by Canadian linguist and translator Sonja Lang for the purpose of simplifying thoughts and communication. First published online in 2001, it is a simple, pidgin like language based on universal human experience designed to express as much as possible with relatively few sounds and words. Is UK same as England? England is a country. Britain is an area that consists of England and the country of Wales. The United Kingdom UK is a country that is a union of the countries on the island of Great Britain, along with the country of Northern Ireland, which shares the island of Ireland with the Republic of Ireland. Who was the first artist of India? Thus was created what is known today as the Bengal School of Art, led by the reworked Asian styles with an emphasis on Indian nationalism of Abhindranath Tagore 1871 to 1951, who has been referred to as the father of modern Indian art. What are the main features of Mughal architecture? The Mughal buildings show a uniform pattern both in structure and character. The main characteristic features of Mughal architecture are the bulbous domes, the slender minarets with cupolas at the four corners, large halls, massive vaulted gateways, and delicate ornamentation. Which is the biggest fort in the world? Ranikat Fort. Ranikat Fort is also known as the Great Wall of Sindh and is believed to be the world's largest fort with a circumference of approximately 32 kilometers, that is 20 miles. The fort's ramparts have been compared to the Great Wall of China. What is ginseng root used for? It is commonly touted for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It could also help regulate blood sugar levels and have benefits for some cancers. What is more, ginseng may strengthen the immune system, enhance brain function, fight fatigue, and improve symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Who gives Nobel Prize? As stipulated in the will of the Swedish-born inventor and international industrialist Alfred Nobel, which was opened after his death in 1896, the Nobel Prizes in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine and literature are awarded in Stockholm, Sweden, while the Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in Oslo, Norway. Who refused Bharat Ratna? Singer Bhupen Hazarika. Assamese singer Bhupen Hazarika's family on Monday refused to accept the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, as a form of protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill. India Today reported Hazarika was posthumously conferred the Bharat Ratna on Republic Day. Can we make gold from mercury? Gold can currently be manufactured in a nuclear reactor by irradiation of either platinum or mercury using fast neutrons. The mercury isotope 198 Hg, which composes 9.97% of natural mercury, can be converted by splitting of a neutron and becoming 197 Hg, which then decays into stable gold. Which is better, 18K or 24K gold? 24K gold is much more expensive and normally used more for investments, decoration, and medical devices. However, 18K gold is more popular in jewelry because it is mixed with other metals and becomes more durable. It is quite often used in fine jewelry and electronics. The structure of gold is dense and soft. Why Savarkar opposed Quit India movement? Leader of the Hindu Mahasabha. When the Congress launched the Quit India movement in 1942, Savarkar criticized it and asked Hindus to stay active in the war effort and not disobey the government. He also urged the Hindus to enlist in the armed forces to learn the arts of war. Why did Gandhi not get Bharat Ratna? The Supreme Court on Friday refused to entertain a plea seeking direction to the central government to confer the Bharat Ratna on Mahatma Gandhi. The court said that Mahatma Gandhi is much higher than Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor, and declined the petition. Who was the first ruler of the first unified Indian empire? Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta, also spelled Chandragupta, also called Chandragupta Maurya or Maurya, died 297 BC, Sravana India, founder of the Mauryan dynasty, reigned 321 to 297 BC, and the first emperor to unify most of India under one administration. What separates Sri Lanka from India? Pak Strait. Pak Strait, inlet of the Bay of Bengal between southeastern India and northern Sri Lanka. It is bounded on the south by Pamban Island, India, Adams, Ramas Bridge, a chain of sholas, the Gulf of Mannar and Mannar Island, Sri Lanka. The southwestern portion of the strait is also called Pak Bay. What is the distance of Ram Setu? 50 kilometers. Ram Setu between Pamban Island near Rameshwaram in India and Mannar Island of Sri Lanka is 50 kilometers long and has been in the center of a controversy since the UPA-1 government in 2005 proposed the Setu Samudram shipping canal project that would have required dredging the area. Why was India so valuable to the British Empire? India was the jewel in the crown of the British Empire. As well as spices, jewels, and textiles, India had a huge population. Soldiering was an honorable tradition in India, and the British capitalized on this. They regimented India's manpower as the backbone of their military power. Why do Japanese drive on left? Since most people are right-handed, swordsmen prefer to travel on the left in order to have their right arm nearer to a potential opponent and their sword and scabbard further from them. Since the scabbard was worn on the left, it also prevented two people from knocking swords accidentally and sparking a duel. Was Nepal ruled by any country? Nepal is a multi ethnic country with Nepali as the official language. The Shah dynasty established the Kingdom of Nepal and later formed an alliance with the British Empire under its Rana dynasty of premiers. The country was never colonized but served as a buffer state between Imperial China and British India. How much is Kohinoor diamond worth? Most kings eye the diamond, and hence it was stolen on many occasions. It was also bartered and gifted but never sold to anyone. Kohinoor is one of the most expensive diamonds on the Queen's crown. The whole value of the stunning diamonds of the crown would account to roughly between 10 and 12 billion dollars. What skills are required for CAT exam? Make your concepts clear. Aspirants of CAT exam are tested on basis of quantitative ability, verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning. Mere memorizing calculations and formulas will not help. You have you have you make your concepts clear. So first make your base right. Who got first Nobel Prize from India? Rabindranath Tagore. India's association with the Nobel Prize goes back across centuries and latitudes. Poet, writer, and thinker Rabindranath Tagore brought glory to the country when he became the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize for the country. The 52-year-old Tagore was accorded the honor in 1913, 12 years after it made its debut. Why do we use gold in electronics? Solid state electronic devices use very low voltages and currents which are easily interrupted by corrosion or tarnish at the contact points. Gold is highly efficient conductor that can carry these tiny currents and remain free of corrosion. Electronic components made with gold are highly reliable. What are the real primary colors? These three hues are called primary because they cannot be made with mixtures of the other pigments in the material world. Red, blue, and yellow are the primary colors that can be combined to create additional colors of the rainbow. What is the new capital of Indonesia? President Joko Widodo announced that the administrative functions of Jakarta would move to the area of East Kalimantan on the island of Borneo. The new capital will be located between North Penajam Pasir and Kutai Kartanagara on the Indonesian part of Borneo, 870 miles away from the current capital Jakarta, home to more than 10 million people, sits on swampy land, is sinking at one of the fastest rates in the world. How many cities are in England? 51. This is a list of official cities in the United Kingdom as of 2015. It lists those places that have been granted city status by letters, patent, or royal charter. There are currently a total of 69 such cities in the United Kingdom, 51 in England, 7 in Scotland, 6 in Wales, and 5 in Northern Ireland. Why is Agra Fort famous? It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty till 1638. When the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi, the Agra Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described as a walled city. What is an antioxidant and why is it important? Antioxidants are substances that may protect your cells against the free radicals, which may play a role in heart disease, cancer, and other diseases. Free radicals are molecules produced when your body breaks down food or when you are exposed to tobacco smoke or radiation. Which vitamin is good for skin? Vitamin D is one of the best vitamins for your skin, along with vitamins C, E, and K. Making sure you get enough vitamins can keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. This could translate to a reduction in dark spots. Who won the first two Nobel Prizes? Marie Curie. The couple later shared the 1903 Nobel Prize in Physics. Mary was widowed in 1906 but continued the couple's work and went on to become the first person ever to be awarded two Nobel Prizes. During World War I, Curie organized mobile X-ray teams. What liquid can dissolve gold? Aqua Regia. Regal water or King's water is a mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, optimal in a molar ratio of 1 is to 3. Aqua regia is a yellow-orange, sometimes red, fuming liquid, so named by alchemists because it can dissolve the noble metals, gold and platinum, though not all metals. Why did Russia sell Alaska to the United States in 1859? Defeat in the Crimean War further reduced Russian interest in this region. Russia offered to sell Alaska to the United States in 1859, believing the United States would offset the designs of Russia's greatest rival in the Pacific, Great Britain. Alaska was purchased by U.S. Secretary of State William Seward for $7.2 million or about 2 cents an acre. Who invented schools? Horace Mann. Credit for our modern version of the school system usually goes to Horace Mann. When he became Secretary of Education in Massachusetts in 1837, he set forth his vision for a system of professional teachers who would teach students an organized curriculum of basic content. What language did Mughals speak? Persian, official and court language. Early Mughals, right from the Babur, spoke Turkish, as Turkish was favored by all his ancestors right from Timur of Uzbekistan. They were actually Changta Turks, but Akbar specifically overturned this and declared Persian as the sole official language of the Mughal Empire in the 1570s. How many times was Mahatma Gandhi nominated for Nobel Peace Prize? Mahatma Gandhi never won the Nobel Peace Prize. Beginning in 1937, Indian leader Mohandas Gandhi was nominated for the award 5 times. His final nomination came just weeks after his assassination in January 1948. Why did Sikkim join India? Sikkim is the least populous and second smallest among the Indian states. In 1973, anti-royalist riots took place in front of the Chogyal Palace. In 1975, after the Indian army took over the city of Gangtok, a referendum was held that led to the deposition of the monarchy and Sikkim joining India as its 22nd state. How RBI is different from government? The RBI keeps a large reserve of cash in its money jar, which the government is looking to dip its fingers into. Financial analysts and economists say, but the RBI is called the lender of last resort for a reason. It may need its reserves to step in if a crisis threatens to bring down the entire financial system. Where is the gold in a mobile phone? When you look at your cell phone or smartphone next time, think of this. It has gold in it because it doesn't corrode or rust. Gold is used in those tiny connectors on the integrated circuit ICs boards that make your cell phone such a marvelous device. What is the difference between psychology and psychiatry? Psychiatrists are medical doctors, psychologists are not. Psychiatrists prescribe medication, psychologists cannot. Psychiatrists diagnose illness, magnetic manage treatment and provide a range of therapies for complex and serious mental illness. Psychologists focus on providing psychotherapy, talk therapy to help patients. What is the most descriptive language? The Oxford Dictionary says it is quite probable that English has more words than most comparable world languages. The reason is historical. English was originally a Germanic language related to Dutch and German. English shares much of its grammar and basic vocabulary with those languages. How long does ginseng take to grow? 5 to 10 years. Ginseng can take from 5 to 10 years to reach a size where the prized roots can be harvested. Who built Delhi? The foundation stone of New Delhi was laid by Emperor George V during the Delhi Darbar of 1911. It was designed by British architects Sir Edwin Lutyens and Sir Herbert Baker. The new capital was inaugurated on 13th February 1931 by Viceroy and Governor General of India, Lord Irwin. Which is widest river in India? Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is the widest river of India as well as in the Asian subcontinent. The river has many major rivers as its tributaries like Manas, Dihang and Lohit etc. contributing enormously into the flow of Brahmaputra. What happens if you touch mercury? Mercury is very toxic or poisonous substance that people can be exposed to in several ways. If it is swallowed, like from a broken thermometer, it mostly passes through your body and very little is absorbed. If you touch it, a small amount may pass through your skin, but not usually enough to harm you. Which factors made Magadha a powerful kingdom? The Magadhan lands were very fertile due to its location between the Gangas and the Sun River. In the 4th century BC, that the Magadhan lands yielded multiple crops round the year. People of Magadhan Empire became prosperous due to fertility of the land, and the government became automatically rich and powerful.